Dear viewers, in today's video we're going to show you the top 10 cool woodworking tools you will want to see to buy this year. Let's begin. RUITOOL Japanese Hand Saw. The RUITOOL Japanese Hand Saw is a versatile and essential tool for woodworkers, carpenters, and craftsmen, featuring a 6-inch double-edged pole saw blade made of SK5 high-carbon steel. This saw delivers precise cutting for flush and finish cuts, with one side featuring 17 TPI for cutting hardwood and the other side with 14 TPI for cutting softwood. It offers versatility for various woodworking tasks, including rip cuts and cross cuts. The blade's 3-sided grinding gear design ensures sharp edges for faster chip removal and smoother cutting. Crafted with a durable beech handle, this saw provides comfortable and controlled use. Backed by a lifetime guarantee, it offers reliability and peace of mind for all woodworking projects. Trend 2-Part Skeleton Hinge Jig. The Trend 2-Part Skeleton Hinge Jig is a professional-grade tool designed for efficient and precise hinge recess cutting. Featuring built-in guide bush offsets on each hinge block and indexed back set discs, this jig ensures super-fast setup and maximum efficiency. It accommodates internal or external doors, frames, and linings with rebates or fitted stops up to 0.98 inches thick. The hinge positions are replicated with pinpoint precision on the door and frame from a single setup, increasing productivity on-site or in the workshop. Supplied in a robust carry case with essential accessories, including hinge sliding aperture block assemblies and bradawls, this jig is ideal for renovation work and pre-hung door and frame work. COWRYMAN 003 CAN RP Router Plane. The COWRYMAN 003 CAN RP Router Plane is a handheld woodworking tool designed for precision and versatility. Crafted with a stainless steel body, this router plane offers durability and longevity. With dimensions of 4.13 inches in length and 2.75 inches in width, it provides a compact yet robust design for effortless operation. The plane features an easily adjustable blade with a screw mechanism, allowing users to achieve the desired cutting depth with precision and ease. Additionally, it is equipped with a comfortable wooden handle that ensures a firm grip and comfortable use during woodworking tasks. Whether you're a professional woodworker or a hobbyist, this router plane is an essential tool for achieving clean and accurate cuts in various woodworking projects. BORA 542009 Jigsaw Guide. The BORA 542009 Jigsaw Guide is a versatile accessory designed to enhance the functionality of your jigsaw and ensure precise cutting results. Specifically designed to fit most jigsaws, this guide attaches easily to the BORA clamp edge, providing a firm and steady platform for making straight cuts. With its solid design featuring 2 tongue and groove points that slide into the BORA clamp edge's side grooves, it offers stability and accuracy during cutting tasks. The guide is fully adjustable, allowing it to accommodate almost any size jigsaw, while an adjustable pointer guide keeps cuts true. Ideal for woodworking projects, this accessory is made to work seamlessly with the BORA clamp edge range, helping you achieve professional quality cuts with ease. CAMO MARKSMAN Pro X1 Deck Tool. The CAMO MARKSMAN Pro X1 Deck Tool revolutionizes deck installation with its hidden edge fastening system. This innovative tool allows you to install 2 patented CAMO edge deck screws through the edge of the deck board, providing a fastener-free deck surface. With automatic spacing that fits any 5 1/4 to 5 3/4 inch deck board, it creates a precise 1/16 inch spacing ideal for pressure-treated lumber and other decking materials. The CAMO edge deck screws feature a unique design that reduces splitting and cracking while providing a strong, secure hold. The MARKSMAN system ensures easy and efficient deck installation in 3 simple steps. First, set the tool by positioning it over a joist and clamping it to the treated deck board. The clamp automatically creates the ideal gap for the screws. Next, drop in the CAMO edge deck screws into the built-in guides, featuring a rake tip to auger out material and prevent splitting. Finally, drive the screws using the included driver bit attached to your drill. The built-in shoulder stops at the perfect depth automatically, ensuring precise and consistent results every time. MILESCRAFT 4012 Square Clamp Kit. The MILESCRAFT 4012 Square Clamp Kit is an essential tool for woodworking projects requiring precise 90-degree clamping. This kit includes a durable 8-inch by 8-inch assembly square and 2 corner clamps designed to hold your project securely in place while you work. The assembly square features a sturdy ABS foam-filled construction, providing a lightweight yet durable solution for ensuring square joints in your projects. Equipped with a cam lever clamping mechanism, the corner clamps deliver optimal clamping force with a simple push of the lever. The TPE clamp pads prevent slipping and marring of your workpiece, ensuring pristine results every time. Additionally, the square clamp kit is compatible with fence clamps and bar clamps, offering versatility and flexibility in various woodworking applications. Bosch CM8S Miter Saw. The Bosch CM8S 8.5-inch single bevel sliding compound miter saw is a versatile and convenient tool designed for precision cutting in woodworking projects. Featuring a bevel lock lever and bevel turret stops conveniently located on the side of the tool, adjustments are quick and easy without the need to reach behind the saw. The miter saw boasts easy-to-read miter and bevel scales for enhanced accuracy. Equipped with an integrated expanding base extension that expands up to 29 inches left to right, the CM8S provides ample support for workpieces of various sizes. With a bevel angle range from -2 degrees to 47 degrees, this saw offers versatility for a wide range of cutting tasks. Additionally, the miter detent override allows for intuitive, thumb-actuated adjustments, while the clear lower guard provides an unobstructed view of the saw in action. Despite its powerful performance, the Bosch CM8S is remarkably portable, weighing just 37 pounds and featuring a top carry handle for easy transportation. This miter saw offers the same crosscut capacity of a 10-inch saw but is 30% lighter, making it ideal for professionals and DIY enthusiasts alike who require ultimate portability without compromising on cutting capacity. FESTOOL 564274CXS Compact Drill Driver Set. The FESTOOL 564274CXS Compact Drill Driver Set with right-angle chuck is a versatile and durable tool set designed for professional-grade performance in drilling and driving applications. This set includes 3 tools in one, thanks to FESTOOL's innovative fast-fix system, which enables the use of the Centratec chuck, a keyless chuck, and a right-angle attachment for accessing tight spaces with ease. Built to withstand the rigors of daily use, the CXS features sophisticated electronics that protect the tool and batteries from overcurrent, undervoltage, and overheating, ensuring long-term reliability and safety on the job. Despite its robust construction, this drill driver set is ultra-compact and lightweight, weighing less than 2 pounds for maximum comfort during extended use. With an extremely long battery life and a quick recharge time of only 30 minutes, the CXS delivers uninterrupted productivity on the job site. Backed by a 3-year warranty on the drill, charger, and batteries, FESTOOL ensures peace of mind and confidence in the durability and performance of their tools. The GRIZZLY Pro T32540 Dual Spindle Doweling Joiner. The GRIZZLY Pro T32540 Dual Spindle Doweling Joiner is a powerhouse tool designed for precision and efficiency in woodworking projects. With a robust 1 HP motor running at 17,000 RPM, this joiner effortlessly drills 2 8mm, 5/16 holes with 1 1/4 center-to-center spacing in seconds. It supports drill bit sizes ranging from 6 to 12 mm and offers a maximum plunging depth of 1.5. Equipped with adjustable depth settings, a removable fence, and a rack and pinion height adjustment mechanism, this joiner provides versatility and ease of use. It offers drilling angles from 0 to 90 degrees, allowing for precise joint configurations. The joiner also features efficient dust extraction, keeping your workspace clean and safe. MAKITA PJ7000 Plate Joiner. The MAKITA PJ7000 Plate Joiner is a high-performance tool designed for precise and efficient biscuit joints in woodworking applications. Powered by a potent 5.6 amp motor delivering 11,000 RPM, it offers quick and accurate cutting in various wood types. Featuring a rack and pinion vertical fence system, the PJ7000 ensures precise fence adjustments, while the cast aluminum pivot fence provides 3 positive stops at 0 degrees, 45 degrees, and 90 degrees for added convenience. With 6 depth settings and 1 touch stops for common biscuit sizes, including number 0, number 10, and number 20, this joiner offers versatility for different joint configurations. Its ergonomic design includes easy-to-operate cam locks for quick adjustments, a large top grip handle for improved handling, and non-marring rubber inserts on the shoe to prevent material slippage. Additionally, the dust port allows easy connection to a vacuum system for a cleaner work environment. Built for durability and efficiency, the MAKITA PJ7000 Plate Joiner is an essential tool for woodworking professionals and enthusiasts alike. Bye for now. We hope this video on the top 10 cool woodworking tools you will want to see to buy will help you find your best fit.